today on NYSE Floor Talk here at LTF 2024 in Miami is Lucas Vargas. He is the founder and CEO at Nomad. Lucas, it's wonderful to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
So I want to start off by talking about your company. Tell me about Nomad and its mission.
Sure. So Nomad is a fintech company that provides to Brazilians the ability to have investment and banking solutions here in the US. It caters to a very unique need of emerging market citizens who need a solution for them to protect their wealth against volatility, which is intrinsic to those markets, right? So that's what we have been doing.
So tell me, how are you different from others that are in this space?
Sure. So Nomad is a fully independent fintech. We are not connected. We are not invested by big banks or other players that have conflicts. So we have founded the company from the beginning with this DNA around technology. And we have this deep commitment on technology, innovation, and we are also extremely dedicated to financial inclusion. So those two pillars drive what we do, and we think it really sets us apart from the others.
Lucas, what are your thoughts on the future of AI and how it may affect your company and your customers?
Well, of course, there are still multiple questions around the challenges and opportunities. We think that let's focus on the benefits. So as most fintechs are concerned these days, it should help a lot on fraud prevention and detection. From the beginning, we have been investing a lot, both from a technology perspective, but also from a compliance and regulatory perspective to make sure that we collaborate with multiple stakeholders to create a more solid financial system. And so with technology and players and everything that we have been seeing recently, it should help a lot. That's one big part of our investment, and we are already leveraging what's out there. We're also extremely happy with the opportunities that AI can bring for us to better understand customer behavior and to translate the data into insights that help us guide our customers into this new journey. What we offer in our case, we offer Brazilians who live in Brazil access to a market abroad. So it's very complicated. It's a new world for those cities. And so we are extremely optimistic with the opportunities to help guide those customers into this new journey of protecting and building wealth. So those are the main two, I would say, opportunities that we see. Of course, there are many others.
And as you look ahead to the remainder of the year, what are you most focused on?
So internally, we are focusing on, I would say, three main pillars. One is around licenses, regulation, and infrastructure. As a fintech, we launched our business about 3 years ago. So it's natural for us that over time, we will be getting more licenses, internalizing a few processes, and building relationships with partners that can help us strengthen the foundation, the tech foundation of what we do. That's a big pillar, and we are doing that. In parallel, there's also a big investment in product development. Fintechs, most startups, after validating the first products, we need to expand our portfolio and look for ways to retain customers and to better explore the customers that we have acquired. And the third one is just growth. I think we have been validating the product for a few years now, and we will be accelerating our growth engine. So that's what we're going to be doing.
Now, we are here in Miami at LTF 2024. What are you hoping to gain from this gathering?
Well, it's a great crowd. The investors, the other founders, and all of the other stakeholders. I think we have a great audience here. Most of what we expect to get here is around engaging with the different people that are here and exploring opportunities and potentially forging opportunities with like-minded companies, either startups, providers, or other participants. So that's what we expect for this conference.
And finally, Lucas, tell me, if you could invent any gadget that would help you as a founder of a company, tell me, what would it be and why?
It's a great question. I would try to get more efficiency from the technology. So maybe an AI-based virtual assistant that would help me not only with the more day-to-day basic operations, but also help me make hard decisions and really push me into being more efficient. I think it would help us grow faster in the business. So I think that's what I would do.
Well, Lucas, it's been fantastic to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks, Judy.